Cooking isn't just a necessity, it's an art. And like every great artist, having the right tools can make all the difference. This Bruntmor Pre-Seasoned 6-piece cast iron cookware set, a culinary powerhouse designed to revolutionize your kitchen and outdoor cooking experiences. From whipping up a quick weekday breakfast to creating an elaborate feast under the stars, this set has your back. Imagine frying eggs to perfection, searing juicy steaks, or slow-cooking hearty stews with cookware that delivers consistent results every time. Crafted for durability, versatility, and ease of use, this set isn't just a kitchen accessory. It's a trusted companion for all your cooking adventures. Whether you're a home cook aiming for restaurant-quality dishes or an outdoor enthusiast ready to elevate your campfire meals, the Bruntmor Cookware Set is the key to unlocking new culinary possibilities. Let's explore why this set is the ultimate choice for anyone passionate about good food and great cookware. What's included in the Bruntmor Cast Iron Cookware Set? The 6-piece set includes the following essentials. 1. Cast iron skillet, perfect for frying, searing, and sautéing. 2. Square grill pan with lid, ideal for grilling meats and veggies indoors. 3. Double Dutch oven crock pot, a multi-purpose essential for soups, stews, and slow cooking. 4. Multifunction pot, excellent for pies, casseroles, or roasting vegetables. 5. Pre-seasoned finish, ensures non-stick performance and enhances flavor with each use. Features that make Bruntmor stand out. Number 1. Pre-seasoned and ready to use. Every piece in this set comes pre-seasoned, so you can start cooking immediately without the hassle of seasoning it yourself. The pre-seasoning also enhances the non-stick properties, making cleanup effortless. Number 2. Unparalleled heat retention. Cast iron is renowned for its excellent heat retention and even heating, and this set is no exception. Whether you're frying an egg, searing steak, or slow cooking a stew, you'll achieve consistent results every time. Number 3. Versatile cooking essentials. From stovetop to oven to campfire, this set is built to handle it all. Whether you're baking a pie, grilling vegetables, or frying bacon over an open flame, this cookware adapts to your needs. Number 4. Built for durability. The robust construction ensures these pots and pans withstand years of use. Even at temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, these pieces maintain their shape and functionality. Why choose Bruntmor's cast iron cookware? Health benefits of cast iron cooking. Cooking with cast iron isn't just about taste, it's about health. Unlike non-stick pans coated with potentially harmful chemicals, cast iron is a safe and natural option. Plus, it adds a small dose of dietary iron to your meals. Perfect for outdoor adventures. Whether you're camping under the stars or having a backyard barbecue, this set's portability and versatility make it ideal for outdoor use. Its rugged design ensures it can handle the rigors of outdoor cooking. Who is this set for? This cookware set is perfect for home cooks seeking professional quality cookware, outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable camping cookware, bakers looking for oven-safe cast iron for bread, pies, and more. Care and maintenance tips. Cleaning. Avoid dishwashers. Clean with warm water and a sponge. Reseasoning. Regularly apply a thin layer of oil after cleaning to maintain the non-stick surface. Storage. Store in a dry place to prevent rust. Why it's a worthy investment. Investing in the Bruntmor Cast Iron Cookware Set is about more than just cookware. It's about elevating your cooking experience. With its versatility, durability, and pre-seasoned convenience, this set is a long-term solution for anyone passionate about cooking. Conclusion: a legacy of flavor and functionality. This Bruntmor Pre-Seasoned 6-piece cast iron cookware set is more than just pots and pans. It's an investment in exceptional cooking experiences. Whether you're sautéing, grilling, baking, or simmering, this versatile set ensures that every dish you create is infused with flavor, evenly cooked, and backed by the reliability of cast iron. Think about it. A cookware set that not only adapts to your kitchen, but also thrives in the great outdoors, offering unparalleled durability and performance. This isn't just cookware. It's a tool that bridges generations, delivering meals filled with love and care. With proper maintenance, these pieces will stand the test of time, becoming a part of your family's culinary journey. So, what are you waiting for? Transform your cooking experience today. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and take the first step towards becoming the chef you've always aspired to be. The Bruntmor Cast Iron Cookware Set is ready to elevate your meals. Are you ready to embrace the magic of cast iron cooking? If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.